Our universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, brimming with mysteries and wonders that stretch beyond our wildest dreams. We gaze at the stars, those distant suns, and marvel at their breathtaking beauty and brilliance. As we ponder our place in the grand tapestry of existence, we are filled with a profound sense of wonder and insatiable curiosity. But have you ever dared to ask the ultimate question? What was there before it all? What existed before the universe as we know it came into being? Before the Big Bang, before galaxies, stars, and planets, what occupied the cosmic stage? What was the nature of the cosmos in its earliest moments? The question of what existed before the Big Bang is perhaps the ultimate enigma, a puzzle that has intrigued and mystified scientists and philosophers alike. It tantalizes our curiosity, pushing the boundaries of our scientific understanding and philosophical inquiry, challenging us to think beyond the known. It's a question that has captivated the greatest minds for centuries, and while definitive answers remain elusive, the pursuit itself is a testament to the boundless capacity of the human mind to seek knowledge and understanding. Join me now on an exhilarating journey beyond the familiar, a journey into the heart of the cosmos, as we explore the mind-bending theories of what might have existed before the dawn of our universe and what secrets the cosmos still holds. To truly grasp what might have existed before everything, we must first dive into the awe-inspiring concept of the Big Bang, the monumental event that marks the birth of our universe. Picture this: the entire observable universe, with all its energy and matter, squeezed into a point smaller than an atom, a point of unimaginable density and temperature. This mind-bogglingly dense and hot point, known as a singularity, is where our cosmic tale begins, a tale that has captivated scientists and thinkers for generations. Around 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity erupted in an explosive expansion, an event so powerful it set the stage for everything we know and see today. Space itself stretched and inflated at an incredible rate, and the universe began to cool and evolve, forming the very first particles and atoms. This expansion continues even now, with galaxies drifting apart like raisins in a rising loaf of bread, shaping the vast cosmos we inhabit. But what sparked this singular event? What ignited this colossal explosion that gave birth to our universe? And what, if anything, existed before this moment of cosmic genesis? Was there a time before time? A space before space? These profound questions linger, driving us to explore the farthest reaches of theoretical physics and cosmology, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. Imagine a time before time itself, where one compelling theory suggests there was absolutely nothing. Not just empty space or darkness, but a true void, an absence of space, time, matter, and even the laws of physics. Envision, if you will, a canvas before the artist's first stroke. It's not white, not black, not any color at all. It's simply not there. This is the essence of the nothingness theory, a state of utter non-existence. Yet the concept of absolute nothingness is a challenge for our human minds to comprehend. We are used to a universe governed by cause and effect, where something always exists. But perhaps the Big Bang marks a monumental shift, a moment where nothingness sparked the birth of everything. How can something emerge from absolute nothingness? Enter the bizarre and fascinating realm of quantum mechanics. At the subatomic level, quantum theory reveals a phenomenon known as quantum fluctuations. Picture a serene pond. On the surface, it seems calm and undisturbed. Yet beneath, tiny water molecules are in constant motion, colliding and creating fleeting ripples. Similarly, in the supposed void before the Big Bang, quantum fluctuations could have sparked temporary bursts of energy and particles. These ephemeral fluctuations might have sown the seeds of our universe. Perhaps a particularly energetic fluctuation, a random event in the quantum foam, ignited the spark that led to the Big Bang. The birth of everything. Picture a mythical phoenix, engulfed in flames, only to rise majestically from its own ashes, reborn and renewed. This ancient symbol perfectly captures the essence of the cyclic universe theory, which suggests that our universe is not a one-time event, but part of an endless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, much like the legendary phoenix. In this captivating model, the Big Bang is not the ultimate beginning, but a transition from a previous cosmic phase. The universe expands, reaches a breathtaking point of maximum expansion, stretching the very fabric of spacetime, and then contracts in a dramatic big crunch, pulling everything back together. This crunch could lead to another singularity, a point of infinite density, setting the stage for another awe-inspiring Big Bang, a new cosmic dawn, and a fresh cycle of cosmic evolution, where stars and galaxies are born anew. The cyclic universe offers an exhilarating possibility, that our universe is just one chapter in an infinite cosmic saga, a saga with no true beginning and no true end, an eternal dance of creation and destruction. Let's stretch our imaginations to the limit and dive into the fascinating multiverse theory. Imagine our universe as just one bubble in a vast, higher dimensional space, often called the cosmic ocean, teeming with countless other universes. Envision this cosmic ocean filled with an infinite number of bubbles, each one a separate universe with its own unique laws of physics and constants. Some of these universes might be eerily similar to ours, while others could be wildly different, perhaps even hosting life forms beyond our wildest dreams. The multiverse theory springs from intriguing interpretations of quantum mechanics and string theory, and although it remains highly speculative, it offers a tantalizing glimpse into the boundless possibilities and diversity of reality itself. Picture a dandelion seed, gently carried by the wind, eventually finding fertile ground and blossoming into a new dandelion plant. This simple yet profound analogy hints at the concept of a parent universe, a grand pre-existing cosmos from which our universe might have sprung. Some mind-bending theories suggest that our universe was born within a black hole in this parent universe, or perhaps budded off from this cosmic ancestor through a process akin to quantum tunneling. This fascinating idea proposes a lineage of universes, each potentially giving birth to others, weaving a complex and interconnected cosmic web that stretches beyond our imagination. The question of what existed before the Big Bang assumes that time itself has always existed. But what if time, as we understand it, is also a product of the Big Bang? Imagine a universe where time itself was born from the Big Bang, just like space and matter. Some physicists argue that the concept of before might be meaningless in the context of the Big Bang. It's a mind-bending idea, isn't it? Just as space expanded from the singularity, time itself might have emerged at that very moment. If so, there was no before the Big Bang because there was no time for anything to exist within. A universe without a past, truly mind-bending. The theories we've explored are just the beginning of our endless scientific and philosophical journey to uncover the mysteries of our cosmic origins. The question of what existed before the Big Bang propels us to the very edge of human knowledge, challenging everything we think we know about the nature of reality itself. Why do we ask these profound questions? Perhaps it is an intrinsic part of the human spirit, this insatiable curiosity to comprehend our place in the vast universe. We are, after all, stardust, forged in the heart of ancient stars, and the drive to understand our origins is a drive to understand the very essence of ourselves. While definitive answers remain elusive, the journey itself is a testament to the boundless power of human curiosity and our endless capacity for wonder. The quest to uncover the secrets of the universe, to peer beyond the veil of the Big Bang, is a journey that will continue to inspire generations to come. For in the words of Carl Sagan, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. So keep looking up and never stop wondering.